Welcome to our garage. This is Toyota Aurion 2014 model. Customer feels clunking noise when he driving over bumps and rough roads. Our highly trained and professional team diagnose the problem and find out front and rear shock absorbers internal leak. Our team remove the damaged shock absorbers and fit the new one. After the whole repairing process, clunking noise issue is fixed. And the customer is happy and satisfied with our services. We offer all kind of suspension, shocks and spring repair. If you need our services, do let us know. Call us for appointment on given number and do visit our website for more information. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.